Welcome to the homework solution tutorial. This will be covering 3C, which is the solving with the quadratic formula. Let's look at 3 and 4 here. Okay, these look like it's already in standard form, so we can now just grab our template when we solve the quadratics. All right, let's do this now. This template has to be memorized for the tests. A is 2, B is 3, and C is negative 11. Okay, plug it in. This becomes a 3, 3, the red, which is 2, 2, and this is a negative 11. Perfect. All right, let's simplify it. X is equal to negative 3 plus and minus. Remember, I don't have a calculator, so I have to put this on the side and evaluate it. So the way I do it is I do 3 squared, which is 9. And I add, and I put this in a parentheses, negative 4 times 2 times negative 11. So this gets me 9 plus negative 8 times negative 11. So that does get me a positive 88. 88 becomes what? 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. This becomes 97. Ugh, really? Divided by 4. That doesn't look pretty. Yeah, I mean, it's not pretty, but the numbers are right, though. Okay, so yeah, this is a prime number. It ends with a 7. There's nothing that goes into this. So you leave it here. So the first solution will be your x is equal to negative 3 plus square root 97 over 4. And your second solution would be x is equal to negative 3 minus square root 97 over 4. There you go. All right, let's do we have the next one? Yep, let's do 4. Okay. Oh, well, it tells us to solve this with the quadratic, so I have to subtract the 14 to both sides, leaving you with an x squared minus 5x minus 14 equals to 0. Okay, this is in our standard form that we can now grab our template here. All right. A is the number in front here, which is 1. B is negative 5. And C, which is negative 14. Okay, so let's plug it in. Negative 5, negative 5, 1, 1, negative 14. There you go. So let's simplify it. X is equal to, that looks like a positive 5, plus and minus, radical something. So let's just grab this and do this on the side, like always. Okay. So negative 5 squared is 25. Add negative 4 times 1 times negative 14. Well, this is 25 plus, that looks like a negative 4 times negative 14. Do I know that off my head? Let me see. 4 times 14, 16, 4, 5, 56. So this is positive 56. Okay. And this looks like a 25 plus 56. So that is what? No. 11, 1, 6, 7, 8, 81. Oh, whoa, that became pretty. So inside that radical, so this inside that radical became 81. You see my work? Divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, I'm just going to remove this to clean up the work. All right? But that just explained how inside that radical is 81. Please notice that the square root of 81 is equal to plus and minus 9. All right? So we can now simplify this a little bit further. It becomes x is equal to 5 plus and minus 9 is equal to 2. So your first solution will be x is equal to 5 plus 9 over 2. Let's do that. 9 plus 5 is 14 over 2, so this gets you 7. So x is equal to 7 is my first solution. And your second solution would be x is equal to 5 minus 9 over 2. So that is negative, what, 4? Let me see, is that right? 9, yep, 2. So this gets you negative 2. So x is equal to negative 2 here. Yeah, there you go. Those are your two solutions. All right, so there you go. That was solving quadratics, solving the using the quadratic formula. Okay.